What's your name? Liton. No, you are Liton, right? You are Liton.
Liton and
Ratan. Mr. Ratan, come here. We will give you 10 taka. Come on. Come here. You sit here. I have to talk with you. Sit here. Handshake. Okay, handshake. Hello, दोस्तों तुम क्या गुस्सा हम क्या शूट की तुम क्या तुम्हारे nice joke. Come on. Sit here. Okay, man. Listen. We are going to next year. Who?
I am going in Spain in few months.
We are not smoking. No, we are don't.
We don't smoke.
Yeah, we are also surprised. Who? No, we don't like strawberry. Strawberry is
That's smoking. We don't
Come
smoke.
on. Sit here.
Now,
Our lips are virgin.
Bye.
Okay. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Come on. Sit here. We'll give you 10 taka if you jump there.
no, you have to flip.
Okay, Mr. Ratan. Okay, they are gone. Let them go.
Oh, that's Liton and beta.
Okay, where is Liton, Mr.
If you
Sorry.
jump and flip, we'll give you 10 taka. Okay? Roton.
Come here.
Roton. If you jump and flip, we'll give you 10 taka.
I will give you 1 pound for sure. Come here.
You don't?
Liton is gone, man. Come here.
Oh, bye.
Hey, you, Ratan.
bye. Roton. Bye. যদি জাম খরচ আর যদি গুরস তো 10 টাকা দিমু 10 টাকা দিমু ভাই
Yeah. Okay, they are very shy guy.
The Leon Messi was the very shy guy.
Okay, and two others are very cool guy. Okay, they
ডিসপ্লে
are.
সার্ভার দিতে বেটা আমার লিংক ডিসপ্লে করতে কাম দূর
Okay. Okay, so guys, we are especially I will go. Actually, I forget what I want to say. I'm going to the I'm going to the UK next year, and
next year.
he's going to the
Spain.
and after Spain he will go France maybe.
France, no, not France.
Okay, whatever. So what's your expectation? Did you get your visa? Not yet.
Not 100%, but my
80%.
agency said that there is a 80% chance to get the Spanish visa.
Okay, so do you know Spain? I know
we
Spain.
don't-
I know one Spanish word. That
What?
me gustas tú.
I know one word, te amo.
Te amo.
Because Bosha teach me. Te amo.
Okay, that's great.
Do you
And,
know what the meaning of the te amo?
Not really.
Love you.
No.
Yeah.
In Spanish, I love you means me gustas tú. You
Me
can Google
gustas
it.
tú?
Yeah. You can Google it, man.
Te amo. She said te amo is mean love you. Okay, no problem. What's Google translation?
Okay,
Then
let's go.
Spanish, and then te amo. Te amo means love you. I love you.
Okay, now convert this I love you to Spanish.
I love you too.
I love you to Spanish.
I love Te amo.
No, it's gustas tú.
Te
man.
amo mucho.
Okay, search on Google. Me gustas tú. Search on Google.
Me gustas tú, te mato tú.
Unlock the phone. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
We kill social anxiety in our breakfast. Why are you?
Why did you open the phone?
Why Chrome, man?
I don't Chrome.
Oh, why are you using Brave browser? Because of it's free.
Yeah.
Okay, just see. Me gustas tu. It's a movie.
It's a movie.
Hell no, yeah. Me gustas tu meaning.
I like you.
Yes, Spanish.
Spanish. It's like me gustas tú. It means I love you. Oh sorry, I like you.
Yeah, that's a similar.
Ah,
This
little
is
bit.
similar. Not a little bit. Close.
Okay, you will go in London and I will go in Spain. So, will you stay in London or
No.
come in France?
I will stay in London. Now, first of all, I will go in Switzerland. And
Oh.
After that, after my
No, why you want the citizenship card? Like in London or in
I
France?
would like to be a citizenship in the UK.
UK.
It is a great country, and after that, maybe
All Europe countries same.
yeah,
all
that's
Europe countries
good.
are
But
same.
UK is a leading country, and Switzerland is also good because of their high security and
High security.
yeah, people. Yeah, people are.
What is this?
People
Oh, I thought.
I thought I thought looking there. Okay, so
देखा था नहीं था देखते लगे
where we
oh देखा था हाई तो देखा था
where was
तो बड़ा पता ला
okay, that's great idea.
okay
Okay, so first of all, a lots of people want to stay in Switzerland because of their economy is very high.
no this books here I think the British country you know
What?
this books here
These books here?
or this book I don't know
No, it's Luxembourg.
oh yeah that's
Luxembourg. No, Luxembourg is too costly, man.
Yep.
You have to pay 80% tax. That's fucking crazy.
it's fucking crazy
And if you stay in Switzerland, you can visit all over the country. It's so nice country, so beautiful country.
and the beautiful it's very clean country
Yeah. And one thing more, one of my dreams is creating an account in Swiss Bank.
oh
You have to $40 million to create an account in Swiss Bank. $40 million. Sorry, 40 million euros.
yo
That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. Man.
that's fucking crazy
Okay, so what's next? What's going
Hold
on?
up, make some noise for Durjoy. No, make some noise for Fera.
Salt. Call me Salt.
No.
No, call me Harry. My
Harry.
name is Harry.
And my name is Alex.
No, your name is Jack.
Oh, Jack. Yo, nice.
Okay, so he's Jack from Spain. Sorry, from France. And
France.
my name is Harry from UK.
British.
I'm from the UK.
Yeah.
And I'm a Scottish guy.
Scottish?
Yeah, Scottish. Scotland is one of
Oh no, you live in London or in Scotland?
No, London is
Very costly.
no, not so costly. In London, there are a lot of pickpockets and very
Pickpockets?
pocket market
Oh.
and chore,
Chore.
stellar. I don't know what means called. What chore calls in
Theft.
English. Theft. There are a lot of theft in London. So if you need peace, you can go
Scotland.
Scotland, Cardiff.
Cardiff is in another country?
No, Cardiff is the capital of
Scotland.
no Scotland.
Ireland.
Yeah, no, Ireland capital is Dublin. Wales. You know Wales?
No.
Wales
I just
is
know
a-
Manchester and London.
Wales is a part of the UK, and if you want to
The UK is the Scotland, London,
Scotland,
England,
England.
and in England is UK, United Kingdom. Yes.
UK means four country involved.
No. UK and Scotland is England.
No.
Yep.
No, there are four countries. One is England, one is Scotland, one is Wales.
You can Google it.
And no, one is Wales and other is British and Northern Ireland. It's located in
Ireland is another country.
no British Northern Ireland. It's a island. It's a type of island
Yep.
located nearby the island, and all of the four countries is part of a one nation. It's called the
England.
United Kingdom. No, England is a country.
Oh.
And the four nation called together.
England is a country.
Yeah, and the capital of England is London, and The whole of thing are together. We call it the UK,
UK.
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom.
There are four countries there.
So, I have my money back.
Okay, I have mine too.
Mine too.
And I have my expensive lighter, guys. You can see it's very costly, like $10. No, 0.1 pounds.
0.1 pounds.
Yeah, that's
Yep, 0.1
that
pounds.
means
16 taka.
Bangladeshi taka. Okay.
It's not 16, 17. Because now 1 pound is equal 170.
Oh, that's so high. Okay, you can see there. The lighter is full of what's the
Gas.
no, it's liquid.
Liquid gas.
Liquid gas. Gas means air.
Yeah, not. Gas means gas.
Not-
Because
not
gas is
actually.
English word.
Liquid.
You can-
whatever. Let them.
You can see there, it's premium.
Okay, I have an idea. Listen, James. Okay, so for our preparation, for our IELTS preparation, we will come daily there and practice 1 hour. We will talk 1 hour in English
Yeah.
and
And if we find any
any guy, and
beggar guy, beggar guy,
no,
It will be
not
more
bigger,
fun.
not bigger. They are street child.
it's still safe. Yep.
Okay, so
It will be more fun.
and we will guys upload this video on YouTube. Okay, so what is the YouTube channel name?
Salty Pizza is our musician name.
No, Harry and Jack's comedy.
Yo,
No.
nice idea.
We have to think more about it. And one thing.
We're not professional YouTuber, so
Okay, so behind me there are a lot of guys that are playing Ludo. Ludo is
Ludo. Yep, Ludo. They're playing Ludo. And sometime we see people play Uno.
Uno. But I don't like Uno.
It's
because
not Uno, it's Uno.
just listen. I don't like Uno because it's a chapri game. and
Chapri game.
It's play just boys. Men plays only cards. You know cards.
Yo,
We are play only cards, not Uno whatever. We don't like because it's a child game, man.
Yep.
Lots of child are playing.
Let's walk and speak, okay?
Okay, let's walk and speak.
Okay.
So
We're not making any video. We're just practicing our English. Yep.
Okay, so we are come here to night chill out.
Nights out.
Okay, so let's go wherever.
Okay, why you are facing the flash on the screen? Facing in your face.
Because
Faces on your face.
you need more flash.
No, we don't need more flash. You need because you are Hala. I don't need.
No man, in the Europe, people are love being a black, and there are
Yeah.
a lot of they are
Because,
trying to, they are
European-
listen, they are very wanted, especially girls. They are very wanted to
Okay,
be
you wanna smoke?
be a tanny. No, I don't like smoking
Then why you have lighted?
because someone give me.
Someone why?
I don't
Why
know.
someone will give you a lighter?
No, just because
You don't have enough space to keep it.
No.
Uh,
Okay, so listen my thing and this is
But
my,
smoke mais na.
okay, so this is my first year in Bangladesh and
Yeah.
we are going there. I don't know what's the
It's called walkway.
Okay, that's great.
Bollywood walkway.
Okay, that's okay.
But I call it Chapri place.
Okay, so what's the content? What's the state name?
State name?
What's the district name?
Our district name is Moli Bazar.
Okay, what's the pronounce? Malvi Bazaar.
Moli Bazar.
You know I'm fucking British man. Come there.
It's called Moli Bazar.
Okay, there are a lot of.
Hey, Liton is here.
Hey, Leighton, come here.
Hey, Liton.
We'll see you again. Come here.
No, they're not Liton.
Hey, Jax, come here. Now where we are going?
Don't know. We're just walking.
We might be go to the what is the place name there? Bridge, a bridge. I look at a bridge.
Chandnigarh Bridge.
Okay, what?
Chandni
What's the
Ghat.
pronounce?
Chandnigarh.
Chattingat.
Chattigan. चड्डी गन की
Come there. It will be the best funny video.
It's called Chandni Ghat, not Chaddi Ghat.
Okay, let's go, man. Okay, so let's.
Chaddi Ghat meaning is very.
Okay, you should stop now. Everybody will understand. Okay, so hi, man. This is hello, peoples. This is Harry. You are watching. You
Yeah,
are,
la, omne.
okay, so you are guys are watching Harry's comedy show, and
Harry and Jack.
Harry's and Jack comedy show, and here is Jack. This is my first time in Bangladesh,
Jack.
and where is it?
Because-
Melzi Bazaar, right?
Molvi bacha yap.
Okay, let's go.
ভিডিও আধা ঘন্টা ধরে তোরা দেখলাম এবার আপনার আমার কিছু আছে মানে আমার ফলো করে এই বুঝলাম তারপর কই
Okay.
ওকে Take this on your face because you are very khala.
You need.
No, I don't need this because
Okay.
I am Spanish and Spanish people are white
Not
and
really.
Londoni UK's people are black.
Not you guys. You should call British.
British? অবাই ভালো হইব যাই না
We are making vlogs.
এমনি
Okay, there are three people.
my not he's my younger brother and he's my friend Onkon.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Okay, so we should go there because there
There is
are
a light.
lights. Come there. Okay, so you guys are watching Harris and Jack's comedy show, and we are missing Kapil Sharma badly because
No, no.
last time we invited Kapil Sharma. and-
অমনে নাই বেটা তোর মুখ ধর এমনি নাই ও লাগান
Okay. So last time we invited Kapil Sharma and they rejected us. Now we have to make this show 100 times better than Kapil Sharma's show.
yeah
And okay, so right, we have to go anywhere. Where?
let's go top of the bridge.
What is the bridge name? Chandigarh. Chandigarh Bridge. Okay, so let's go the Chandigarh Bridge. What's the
Chandigarh.
pronounce?
Oh, Chandni Ghat.
Chand
Chad.
Chandni
Do you know
Ghat.
Chad? The moon. It's
Yeah,
called
the
in
moon.
Bangla Chad. Also, not in Bangla, in Hindi, it's called Chand. And hey,
Chand.
in Bangla, it's also called Chad.
Chad or Chand.
Chad and Chand. Okay,
Yeah.
in Hindi, they pronounce like Chad. And in
Okay.
Bangla, we pronounce like Chad.
Okay, so so
Chandni Ghat.
we are going to Chandni Ghat.
Ghat. Yep,
Chandni Ghat.
Chandni Ghat.
So we are going
Not
to
a
the
Chaddi Ghat.
So viewers, we are going to Chandigarh. Where?
This time you didn't lie because we had there's some work like you said
Chandigarh.
no like
Okay, we should turn. We should
why no
turn.
we should go and up
Because
the-
this type of
please.
shit been. Okay, so
No.
we should close our mouth.
no we are extrovert okay
Okay, let's be extrovert like Spade. Do you know
it's great yay
Hey Spade, I'm your biggest hater, man.
good
And
oh
he-
he's biggest hater
He's your biggest fan.
not
So-
biggest but I am his fan
Whenever you come to Bangladesh,
But I am
you
biggest
have to no. Whenever you come Bangladesh, you have to know Messi is better than Ronaldo. Okay?
yep in Bangladesh everyone is fan of Messi and Neymar.
So you
Most of the people are fan of the Messi and Neymar.
okay, so these guys are stucking us.
Because we
Because,
are speaking in English and they are Murko. That's why
They
don't
are fucking
understand.
uneducated.
That's why they were. I don't know they understand what we are saying and what we are doing.
So we are finally in Chandigarh. Sorry, Chudi. Okay, so yeah, we are finally in
You are not
Chandigarh.
looking like a British dude.
No, I am a British man.
No,
and
you are not looking like a British.
I am a Bangladeshi breed. That's why.
Do you know Ali Official?
Ali official.
On Instagram. He's a British Sileti.
Oh,
He's,
I know.
He's he live in British, so his pronounce is
live in British?
like he live in British. Yes, he's a British citizen. Citizenship.
Oh, he's a
citizen.
British.
Yep, he's a
Okay,
British
that's right.
Sileti.
Okay, so he's like us.
Yeah,
Like
that's why his British pronounces are like a real British. Okay.
So what's about my pronunciation? What's about my accent?
Your pronunciation is like Bangladesh.
No, never.
No.
You shit, man. I'm a fucking British guy,
No.
and how dare you how
British-
dare you to tell me I'm Bangladeshi? My accent is Bangladeshi. Okay, so
A bottle of water.
so here we are. We are there in Chandigarh.
ask someone a bottle of water. Not anyone. Like act like you are asking someone a bottle of water.
Okay, so I have to ask someone
Bottle of water.
to give a bottle of water.
No,
Water.
you're not a British because British are British
Water,
don't.
water.
No,
I know
no,
water.
no.
What's the water?
British say this like a boffa.
No.
a boffa.
No,
Nope.
there are a lot of accents
Nope.
in British. Listen,
No,
man.
every British.
Listen, my dear. There are a lot of accents in British, especially Manchester, especially London, and especially Scottish. The guys are
Okay.
totally different.
So
accent.
walk slowly.
Okay.
British don't speak like this. British speak like a boffa. Boffa.
No.
Because
Buffalo,
my brother live in.
Buffalo is some kind of Scottish accent. It's not.
No, my
actual
brother,
British.
my one cousin brother live in London, so they
Buffalo?
Buffalo, not Buffalo, Buffalo.
I think some Scottish guy told him to Buffalo.
No, he live in main city in London.
Okay, so we have to find something.
What?
Let's go.
Why? I don't know why I'm getting very much extrovert.
No, we have to be extrovert to live peacefully because introverts they are type of shit, man.
That's too
The fucking shit things in the world.
Okay. We are recording video. It's been 12 minutes.
Okay, that's fine. And this is my first time in Bangladesh.
We have recorded another video on my another phone.
Okay, so editor, please edit properly.
Huh? With the editor.
Yeah, British girl.
A British girl?
Yeah, that's correct. And this is my first time in Bangladesh, you know.
Okay.
So I have,
if you are
I have
if
an
you are a
idea. I have an
vlogger,
idea.
if you are a vlogger,
listen.
Yep.
I have an idea. So let me speak in British accent. And
Yep.
some some culture think he's a actual British
Okay.
and try to like
Okay,
me.
try to speak in English, and I'm 100% sure that you can't,
Why?
because you are not a British dude.
Okay, so there are a lot of street chills. Okay, I will give them £1.
Huh?
Is
Okay.
it worth it? Maybe not. Maybe not. They are.
You should
literally-
give them 5 or 10
No,
pounds.
literally, they are just smoking in our money.
They will just smoke. You are a door.
Oh, my eyes are very.
Yeah, mine too. So you should give them 10,
At least-
5 or 10 pounds because it's very well.
Very normal for us.
Not very normal for us, right? But it's a very right amount.
So we should go to.
Right. It's a very right amount to give them because 10 pounds, I think.
Not much enough.
Huh?
No, £10 is a cool amount.
No,
and-
for them it's a very right amount. You can give them if you have.
But when I was in.
If you spend
No,
your
no.
all pound in 1x.
Yeah, man. Okay, listen. When I was in England, so I give some tips to my waiter,
Yep.
and the tips is almost 20 to 25 pounds.
Almost.
It's over 20 to 25
Oh, I
pounds.
forgot. Okay, I see.
Okay, so but 20 to 25 pounds is not too much for me.
Oh.
So I
You-
can
you
easily
give-
I can easily give them 10 pounds. So, but I don't want to give them because they
They will smoke
they're fucking shit, man.
and they will misuse this.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's correct.
Yep.
So where
So-
where are you going?
In home?
In home? Where
Or
home?
you want another round?
No, my legs were very get
Oh,
hard bad.
don't you gym?
Yeah, I went to the gym yesterday,
So
but I did my leg exercise, so that's why my legs were very pain. I don't know.
30 minutes ago we saw it.
So so we are in Bangladesh right now. So hi guys, this is my first vlog. So
Okay, listen. If I got visa,
listen. These girls are literally thinking I am a foreign
British.
guy. I'm a British fucking guy, and they are trying to impress me for a fucking shit British visa.
visit visa, and after that,
What's your opinion?
they will
They will leave
get
us. They will leave us. Definitely.
not us, you.
Oh man, no.
Because I have-
They girls means
I am married. Okay, I am married. I have a girlfriend.
no.
and
Girls
I have
girls means
a wife.
girls means a whole shit.
Yep.
I will never be married.
Don't you have mother and sister?
Yeah, they have, but
They
in
have?
this generation, yeah, I have, but in this generation, they are total shit.
How
And-
old is your sister?
And she's before their generation.
Huh?
I
Before this generation,
yeah.
they are after this generation.
Yeah,
Because
that might be, but
She is now
that might be, but
very
not,
young.
Not everyone are saying. So, but one thing definitely.
I have noticed
100%.
one thing that in this walkway, after everyone is saying bad words,
What?
bad words,
What?
like bad words.
Yeah, because
like
we are in
He's,
Bangladesh. So
he's saying heta.
what is hata?
It's a very
Tell
bad
me
word.
one more time.
Few minutes ago you said
So
chaddi,
it's a trash bin.
trash bin, dustbin,
In
whatever.
British it says it's trash.
Trash.
And in Americans say it's dustbin.
Dustbin.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I don't know why big guys are thinking that I'm
Yeah.
Bangladeshi, but if you know that,
Because you look like a Bangladeshi.
no,
And also you don't speak like British. That's why.
Okay, so look behind here. Okay, my teacher, my school teacher are there.
Oh, he is teacher.
Yeah.
Oh.
He was my English teacher.
English teacher. Hey, you lived in British, so.
No. Try to understand. He teach me online.
Huh?
He teach me online. He
Oh,
teach me
oh.
at online
Fine.
in Discord. He teach by me with his screen share. I don't know. Okay, so please forgive if I made some mistakes, grammatical mistakes.
Oh, हमने तो बेटा हमने देखा था.
So hey guys, hey buddies. Okay.
So, let's go somewhere else. In light.
Okay, so hey Jax, if you have 2 crores,
Two
no,
crores?
if you won a tournament, yeah,
Okay.
you keep it. If you
You
won,
keep it. You hold it.
What?
No, you keep it means
Uh-huh.
you can keep it like you give them and you don't ask them to return it.
Okay.
And
you
hold
don't
is like,
yeah, hold. I
hold.
understand.
For
Okay, listen.
few minutes or
Listen.
Okay.
If you win a tournament,
yep.
the prize might
The
be.
prize pool was 66 lakh taka.
No. This is an international tournament.
No. In Bangladesh, today was a tournament of Free Fire.
Garena
So,
Free Fire.
yep, Garena Free Fire. So,
I played.
okay, we played. So it was a, if not euro, its prize pool was 66 lakhs BDT, in means taka, and was the first prize was 20 lakh taka.
Like almost 50,000 pounds.
50,000? Not
40
50,000.
to 45.
15,000. 15 to 16,000 pounds.
No.
No, now
How much in Bangladesh taka?
20 lakh.
20 lakhs.
The first prize was the 20 lakh.
20 lakhs is just 20 lakhs.
Okay, let's give another round.
Oh, sure.
Okay, sure.
So this is my first time in Bangladesh, and we are in Molde.
You are saying this fifth time or sixth time. This,
No,
this
in
is
seventh
my
time.
first day on
I said it the 7th time.
17th time.
Seventh time.
Seventh time.
Okay,
Wow.
so now
My issue is going to pull today.
okay, just because of the I don't know us, so we don't care. We don't care.
Yeah. Okay, turn off my mobile data because it will.
Turn off.
Oh yeah, turn off.
Okay. I got.
It will.
Okay, I got you.
I got you.
That's when I got you.
I got you. Okay, turn off.
ওই বেটা তোর অপারেশন হইছে তুই বেটা আবার রাস্তাঘাটে ঘুরোস কাই নাই
You said you is a British guy.
Yeah,
Then
I'm
why
British,
a
right?
Bangladesh? Yeah.
Because my my
yeah.
lots of friends are living
what
in
is it
Bangladesh and they teach me Bangladesh. Okay, I understand.
What is called?
Hey, wait.
You open camera. Okay, what is called? Like round. I think round the camera or whatever.
Turn around.
Turn the flash.
Okay, so let's sing English song.
Okay, perfect.
Okay,
Hey.
let's go, let's start. Okay, so
You sing
I forget the lyrics, man.
I
Okay,
also
let's
forgot the
Google
lyrics.
back.
Okay,
Okay.
Google it.
But the flash is gone.
No problem.
The flash is gone, man.
No problem.
No problem? Okay, let's go. Okay. So unlock the phone.
I forgot the lyrics.
I'm free.
Police?
London.
Why they are calling police? And
Guys, because Bangladeshi police are fucking damn.
okay,
Okay, so I want to okay, so
turn on the
I know. Okay.
mobile data and
Wait,
Google the
Wait, one thing more.
yeah. Why you are saying the Google it? Just ChatGPT it.
Yeah, that's great. Most of the people are searching Google instead of ChatGPT.
Yeah.
We should.
And instead of Gemini is also a Google.
It's good,
but
their feature are not so developed.
yeah,
like,
but and also the Gemini is also a Google application.
yeah, just Google
Ah,
Map for better.
And we can copilot it. We
Yeah,
can grok
Copilot
it.
is a part of Microsoft, right?
Yeah. We can grok it. We can DeepSeek it.
Okay, so Grok is a part of the apps. Okay, so I'll share you an amazing experience in Bangladesh. So a few hours ago, a random guy called me and he said just I got a case and I have to go to the nearest police station with my family. I just blocked the number. So it's a bad experience in my first day in Bangladesh. Okay, so now we are sing a song.
Perfect. Perfect song. Yeah.
Perfect by Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran.
Okay, so let's open.
Go in the
lyrics.
like. In the
Okay,
light.
going. Okay, so
Let's go in the light.
we are going to this cafeteria. Let's go.
But it's closed. And don't look at the walls because there is
Okay,
some.
let viewers see our property. Okay, so
Okay.
hi guys, this is your Harry.
Yep.
You can
And
see.
it's Jack.
Okay, so
We are
Harry,
speaking,
I cut my
since,
hairs, all of hairs. That's why my hairs are too short,
Yeah.
and he don't cut his hair. That's why
Because
his head is.
you can turn it off.
Okay, so that's why his head is looks like a nest.
Yes.
Next.
Okay. Google it. The perfect song.
Okay, the perfect.
Perfect song lyrics.
Okay,
Actually.
I look the phone. Okay, so guys, we will upload it in our YouTube. Okay, so let
Why?
people find the video and troll ours. Troll us.
Told us.
Okay, so ChatGPT.
You can ChatGPT. Bro, I have also DeepSeek. I have also Gemini. I have also.
Let's go with GPT.
Come here.
Okay,
So people don't see us.
Hey ChatGPT, give me the lyrics of Perfect Song by Ed Sheeran.
She's thinking.
Why?
Hey ChatGPT, give me the lyrics.
Sorry, I can't.
Sorry, I can't.
Sorry, I can't. This is amazing, fucking crazy
Yo, yo.
experience.
Yo.
Guys.
Words. Okay. Oh, see. Hey ChatGPT, give me the lyrics of Perfect Song by Eddie Sheeran. Okay, sorry, I can't provide the full lyrics
What the
to
hell?
Perfect by Eddie Sheeran because it's copyrighted.
What?
Copyrighted?
There are lots of people. Okay,
Lo-
okay, and lots of people are suggest us to use ChatGPT instead of Google.
Google,
So
yeah.
we are got actual.
Experience to don't use ChatGPT.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
now
we
Google
will
it.
Google it.
Okay, ask this to Gemini.
Okay, sure. Yeah, where is
Gemini, there is Gemini.
Okay. Turn off the screen flash.
I have our some friends, but we don't talk with them. Okay,
Hey Gemini, please
provide us the
lyrics of
No.
Perfect.
connection. You turn off the. Okay. Wait. Hey Gemini.
Give me the lyrics of Perfect Song by Ed Sheeran. Okay, that's because of.
Unfortunately, I can't give you the lyrics to the song Perfect by Ed Sheeran. This is due to copyright restrictions.
What the hell?
However,
This is a
I
part
can
of
tell
Google,
you that it's a
man.
very popular love ballad released in
The Ed
2017.
Sheeran.
Fuck you, I will never use you back again. Go the hell. Just close it. Let's Google it.
Let's Google it. Okay, the Gemini is a part of the Google. Okay, and the YouTube is also part of the Google. We have the song in Google, and we have
Okay.
also have the lyrics on Google. But in Gemini, we don't have the lyrics. It's a copyright issue.
Perfect song lyrics.
I found the love.
For me. Oh. Okay.
Let's
Let's play this song.
Let's put a towel on here so
Why?
people can give us charity.
Okay. But we need money.
We need money.
We have enough. Okay, let's play the song. No, we got some copyright issue.
Yeah.
But don't worry, this is our
Turn here so people can see us properly.
Okay, so this is a cool handsome guy. Okay, so let's play Perfect.
Perfect बेट खाओ नहीं हो.
किधर
Perfect बेट खाओ नहीं हो. बेट किधर?
मुर्गी खाने.
Eh?
Okay,
Yeah.
let's
Hey, I have the perfect song on my Samsung Music. Close it.
but whatever it will be.
Yeah, play on not YT Music.
Samsung
I have
Music.
premium, but I don't want to
Search it.
spend my
Data.
MB on this sheet.
Shit? You think Perfect is a shit?
Not perfect, but I have the song on my
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
perfect. I have my song, this song on here. So why I will?
Okay, let's check. There are a lot of people out there.
Okay, let's walk and sing. What?
Do you have lyrics there?
No. Okay.
So YouTube
wait.
is
Okay.
Okay.
Let me get the lyrics.
YouTuber is best, man.
Oi Mia, me to walk away.
Yo, this is your Harry Potter. Look at my
Perfect song.
mustache. Look at my mustache.
Perfect song lyrics with time.
Okay, so listen, I will upload this video and just think about when 10 hours left, not 10 years, 30 years left,
Okay.
and our
That's
child
a song.
No, wait, stop it. And our child find this video on YouTube and they started to trolling us. What?
My father was like this.
Oh, very
You
handsome.
also say my father was like this.
No.
He's not my father. He is my father.
No, you don't use bad things in YouTube.
No, it's not a bad thing.
Okay, let's play there.
Okay.
Okay, start.
Oh,
start.
what is it? I think.
Okay, 45 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Let's turn
Editor, best of luck.
Editor best of luck. Okay. I show you will upload this.
Start. Okay, let's go.
Okay. This picture is very nice. I can upload it, but
And store it in Pizza Boy account.
yeah, in Pizza Boy and to close friends.
Not close friend because every follower of your Pizza Boy is
No.
personal. But I want
Confidence हो तो ऐसा.
we need to be confident but not over. Okay, let's stop the song. Okay.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. Then?
Listening to
No,
your
no.
favorite song.
Dancing in the dark. You know, in my head. You know it. Darling, you looks perfect tonight.
So this
Yeah,
was a
I'll sing this part on my wedding.
Oh,
You
really?
look perfect on
Really?
tonight. Yeah.
Oh, that's a cool idea.
Darling, you looks
But I'm
perfect
so shy, man.
tonight.
I'm so shy. That's why I never. In front of my family, I'll never sing a song.
Oh, why?
They think I am मैं बड़ा हो गया.
Oh, yeah. No, I will dance on my
Okay,
my
please,
elder brother's wedding
Yeah, that's great, but
with my wife.
that's great. But listen,
Yeah.
don't use bad words. Just because our childhood
Childhood
Watch
would was this. Okay.
this video in YouTube.
Yeah. Okay.
So-
Hey, my son or my daughter.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Hey.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I don't use bad words.
Not, hey. You said Chandigarh.
No,
Okay.
I actually
Whatever.
don't know the words.
You don't. You should don't use any bad word because it's very bad.
Do you smoke?
No.
But you will smoke in front of your family.
Why?
You will smoke in front of your
Why?
family.
Why?
You will never smoke.
No.
Then why are allowed?
I don't smoke, so why smoking in front of my family in behind them?
You don't smoke?
Huh? No, I don't smoke.
I think you are a smoker.
We should turn.
Okay, let's turn around here. Okay, we are not that much extrovert.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
let
Okay,
you
wait,
guys
wait,
let you
let-
guys
get- oh.
see let guys you see a house
No.
there.
Wait few minutes. We'll back. Okay, we're back.
So so we will show you a beautiful house there. Not so beautiful, but a memorable house there.
Hey, my batizas.
No,
Or
please
batizis.
don't. Please don't. Past is past, man.
This is your father's ex uncle
No,
house, like house or building, whatever.
No, my wife also watching this video. Will watch this video.
You should tell your wife everything about your past, about your future, about your everything.
She wasn't my ex.
Huh?
Yes, she wasn't my ex.
Yeah,
I
she was
don't
your
think-
she was your ex
No,
because
she wasn't.
hasn't.
Was not my
Okay.
ex because I don't think he's a
Okay.
human. I don't think. He is
Uh,
a human.
This is I don't know why you this is not you can't see this properly, but this was your father's ex house.